Second Nature Pop-Ups. A truly wow card, making every occasion extra special. Wow family and friends with this unique award-winning card that automatically springs to life from its envelope. Ta-da! Write your special message in the tag attached on the back panel. Squeeze the dots to close the card flat and pop it into its envelope. An outstanding collection of designs for birthdays, Valentine's Day, Mother's Day, Christmas, and many more celebratory occasions. Mailable pop-up greeting card, a design for every occasion. A Second Nature pop-up is not just a greeting card. It makes a wonderful personal gift to treasure and will be kept for years to come. Celebrations are what we do best. It's Second Nature. It's Second Nature Pop-Ups.